Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we are doing Foodtech quiz number 60. Topic Food Hygiene. It consists of 25 MCQs. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Which of the following disinfectant that by disrupting microbial membranes? Options A. Halogens, B. Aldehydes, C. Cationic detergents, D. Heavy metals. Correct answer C. Cationic detergents. Question number 2. At what temperature should dishware be rinsed? Options A. 60 degrees Celsius, B. 75 degrees Celsius, C. 83 degrees Celsius, D. 89 degrees Celsius. Correct answer C. 83 degrees Celsius. Question number 3. Which of the following can cause food to be contaminated because of chemical hazards from food handlers? Options A. Hair, B. Dust, C. Live insects, D. Perfume. Correct answer D. Perfume. Question number 4. Quaternary ammonium compounds are very effective sanitizers for the destruction of dash. Options A. Streptococci, B. Staphylococci, C. Listeria monocytogenes, D. All of the options. Correct answer C. Listeria monocytogenes. Question number 5. Microbial load of air depends on options A. Locality, B. Air velocity, C. Temperature, D. All of the options. Correct answer D. All of the options. Question number 6. Which of the following chemical is used for sedimentation of impurities in water? Options A. Alum, B. Urea, C. Cedrite, D. All of the options. Correct answer A. Alum. Question number 7. While working in food processing zone, hairs should be covered with options A. Hairnet, B. Scarf, C. Peppernet, D. Any of the above. Correct answer D. Any of the above. Question number 8. In a place of work, the best way to dry your hands after washing them is to options A. Use a cotton towel, B. Just shake excess water away, C. Use a air dryer, D. None of the options. Correct answer C. Use a air dryer. Question number 9. Potable water is options A. Water present in pot, B. Water taken from reservoir, C. Water which is safe, clean and wholesome, D. Water passed through Michelin cloth. Correct answer C. Water which is safe, clean and wholesome. Question number 10. Silver nitrate is used in case of options A. Floor cleaning, B. Antisepsis of aseptic rooms, C. Antisepsis of burns, D. Antisepsis of food. Correct answer C. Antisepsis of burns. Question number 11. Sanitizing usually kill dash percentage of germs. Options A. 90%, B. 99%, C. 99.9%, D. 99.99%. Correct answer D. 99.99%. Question number 12. The presence of E. coli in the food is due to the dash. Options A. Unpotable water used in processing, B. Improperly washed vegetables, C. Overprocessed food, D. All of the options. Correct answer A. Unpotable water used in processing. Question number 13. What are the basic steps for washing hands? Options A. Wash thoroughly with water and dry, B. Apply soap, wash thoroughly, rinse and use paper towel, C. Apply soap, wash thoroughly, D. None of the options. Correct answer B. Apply soap, wash thoroughly, rinse and use paper towel. Question number 14. The time required to kill 90% of the microorganism in a sample at a specific temperature is called options A. F value, B. D value, C. Z value, D. None of these. Correct answer B. D value. Question number 15. Insect and rodent infestation. Options A. Requires immediate evacuation of the food service facility, B. Does not always require professional extermination, C. It usually minor, D. Is a serious health risk. Correct answer D is a serious health risk. Question number 16. Which of the following are considered the most dangerous to a food service establishment in terms of sanitation? Options: A. Flies, B. Mice, C. Cockroach, D. Lizard. Correct answer B. Mice. Question number 17. Which of the following is a natural pollutant of the water? Options: A. Minerals like calcium and magnesium, B. Industrial waste, C. Sewage, D. All of the options. Correct answer A. Minerals like calcium and magnesium. Question number 18. Which of the following microorganism remains in food due to faulty heat processing of canned products? Options: A. Staphylococcus, B. Salmonella, C. Clostridium botulinum, D. Clostridium velschi. Correct answer C. Clostridium botulinum. Question number 19. In the chlorination process, the disinfection action of chlorine in water is mainly due to the effect of options: A. Hydrochloric acid, B. Hypochlorous acid, C. Chlorine ions, D. All of the options. Correct answer B. Hypochlorous acid. Question number 20. This is a method of removal of hardness of water. Options: A. Boiling of water, B. Zeolite process, C. Demineralizing process, D. All of the options. Correct answer D. All of the options. Question number 21. Temporary hardness of water is due to the presence of dash. Options: A. Calcium and magnesium sulfates, B. Calcium and magnesium bicarbonates, C. Calcium and magnesium chlorides, D. All of the options. Correct answer B. Calcium and magnesium bicarbonates. Question number 22. Which of the following method do not destroy endospores from the food sample? Options: A. Autoclaving, B. Sterilization, C. Pasteurization, D. None of the options. Correct answer C. Pasteurization. Question number 23. Which of the following is a lifeline of food industry? Options: A. Air, B. Water, C. Electricity, D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Water. Question number 24. What percent of dry weights of the intestinal contents of humans is composed of bacterial cells? Options: A. 30 to 35%, B. 45 to 50%, C. 55 to 60%, D. 70 to 75%. Correct answer A. 30 to 35%. Question number 25. Sore throat is caused by species of options: A. Staphylococci, B. Rhinovirus, C. Streptococci, D. None of the options. Correct answer C. Streptococci. If you have missed out the previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.